so cute. All right, we're off to the vine. So we've just stopped off at a place called Grawin, and there's these awesome galah artwork all along the road. We just saw these bullocks and thought we'd better have a stop and have a look. So we're on our way to Lightning Ridge. Hopefully it's a bit warmer. Not quite sure what all these galah artworks represent, but they are really cool. There's a cheeky one upside down. We just went to Lightning Ridge markets. That was pretty cool. So we're going to go out and have a look at what was it called? Stanley,
and do the Grawin Opal field.
Might see if we can find some opals, maybe.
Oh, maybe. Certainly find a beverage.
So here's a little bit about Stanley. I read too that there is actually a time capsule in there. So that will be really interesting. There he is. So apparently time capsule's in the little V-dub area. we're officially at the club in the scrub. Bit of artwork up the top. Couple of little areas around here where you can go fossicking as well. We used to call them mullock heaps when we were kids. Honestly, don't think there'd be much chance of finding anything at all. It has been picked bone dry, I reckon. First be done and dusted at the club in the scrub.
Alright, let's go. Glengarry Hill.
Go on the Hilton.
About 8 k's, mate.
You want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just put it all behind.
Okay, so we're at the Glengarry Hilton. Accommodation, meals, fossicking over there. We'll go in and have a drink.
You and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
Well, we've just visited Glengarry Hilton and oh my god, we had a meal there. I had the snitty because how can you go past that, honestly? It was just to die for. Absolutely beautiful. So we'll hop back in the car and see what more we can find. Oh, I love the little joke. How do you make gold soup? Add 24 carat.
Will you go? Won't you miss the ones you know? I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as I wait.
Alrighty, so we're at the Sheepyard Inn. And I've got no idea what's going on here, but there are so many different old cars and bits and pieces. I don't know if we're allowed to walk up through this way.
Probably a shot.
Yeah, we are very, very conscious of where we're going, because I really do believe if you head in the wrong direction out here, you might ever get back. Yeah, we had a little bit of a story then about a lovely, from a lovely local. He had a mine and his livelihood was completely destroyed by what he called the ratters. And they went into his mine and destroyed it and took everything out that was there. He had a nice little opal seam and everything. And they just destroyed his livelihood. So that was really sad, I thought. It's, yeah, not good.
Leave a mark in our marks to turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry.
Not quite sure how old the old beast is, but I'm guessing once that's going, or was, I should say, was going, that turns and probably sieves out the opals. I think it's been a while though.
I'm not very good at mining, but I reckon this thing and this thing would be my go. The size of it.
Here's a memorial wall. All the veterans come and sign it. Thought we'd have a bit of a look. Obviously there's something down there. That's a freaking long way. And that's all that's stopping you falling in. So we heard a bit about this bra tree before. So I thought I'd come prepared. Oh, I can't even get it off. Yeah, I can. Woo! There you go. That's my sacrifice for the bra tree.
Oh, well done.
Bit of fun. There we go. If anyone else comes along, let me know if you spot it. So we've pretty much had a beer in each place.
Work our way back.
The Glengarry one was the best, and the food was yummo, so it was really good.
Club in the scrub, sheep yard in, all done.
Beer in each. That was good. We haven't fallen down any mine shafts.
We're still alive, that's a good start.
Haven't been done for looting. So we're doing the Red Door tour today at Lightning Ridge, and we've come to Amigo's Castle. Go down a mine. How cute are we? All right, we're off to the mine. Get lower. It's alright being a shorty. Someone in the back there's got to bend over the whole way through.
Good on ya.
Being short actually has come in handy for once. Now we have found a cactus garden. Now apparently the plants here, most of them are about 80 years old. So, like I said before, I don't think much else grows out here. Rocks and obviously cactus. Or is it cacti? They are huge. Imagine the flowers on some of them though. They would be just gorgeous.
Very one, this one.
This guy's got a twist to him.
They're only flowers at night and it's gone by morning.
Wow, that's a bit cool.
I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things they say we shouldn't do. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. Live life like it's a breeze and break the rules. I wanna wake up in the
Alright, so we're going to head over here. We just had a look at the rock maze. You look like a house made out of bottles. So that'll be a bit cool.
Turns out it's a beer can house.
Not a bottle house.
Not a bottle.
Let's catch my breath. I'm feeling stuck, and I don't know which way to run. I'm on a settled path, a one-way road, and I can't take it anymore. I started, I can't stop it, stop it, stop it. I'm done with feeling lonely, lonely, lonely. I know there's more than working, working, working. So go ahead and show me now. I wanna wake up
Back to the edge. Oh, got some opals. What'd you say? We have no idea where we are. We just keep going around in circles. This is huge. So apparently the fellow Ron that did all these carvings used like a butter knife and a fork. Like
And some steel wool.
and some steel wool. Like that's incredible. Very, very impressive. So that's apparently the original knife and fork that he used to do all these carvings. It's just a couple of steps. Let's go. Alrighty, it's washing day. Got this little thing off eBay. So it looks a little bit funny. Check that out. This is my washing machine. So we're going to give a bit of a go. So obviously I'm only going to do small loads and we'll see how it turns out. Found these at Woolies. Just little washing sheets. They smell really nice. Alrighty, so we've finished our washing. I've rinsed it off outside. It does have a little spinny thing in the washing machine, but I found it didn't spin very well. So I just rinsed it and squeezed it out. And now we've got our little made up clothesline. It can just drip in the shower. Oh, the washing's done. All good. Alrighty, so today we're going to go and check out John Murray's artwork gallery. Really looking forward to it. It's a bit quirky, fun, and some of it's pretty cute too, so let's go and have a look. Alrighty, so this is as far as we go with you guys. There's no photos or videos allowed, so that's alright. We'll go in and we'll let you know what we think. Alrighty, so we got in there, absolutely stunning artwork. Oh my god, we had to buy something. So I've got a cute little tea towel. Can't wait to see it.
And she got a magnet.
And a magnet. So I like that. Well, there's sometimes Colin's driving too, just let us know. So here's my tea towel. It's really nice and soft.
I don't think my driving's that bad.
Oh. So I've just come down to the spas, the hot spas at Lightning Ridge. See the steam coming off it. is done and dusted. So we really enjoyed it, didn't we? It was a lot of fun.
Definitely worth coming.
So we, couple of things to remember if you're coming. One, cash is king, definitely. They all love cash. If you get a rock or something in your shoe, check it. Might be worth millions, you just never know.
Did not work for us.
we didn't get anything, but you know, never know.
But if you're definitely coming up, definitely do the car door tours. They're all pretty well signposted, so you're not going to get too lost. And if you are a car enthusiast and you head out to the Grawin Opal fields, you're going to find a car part out there to suit your car. Coming up, the artesian ball baths, we'll get about 2 a day, so I think we're pretty cooked.
Yeah, that was nice. I don't know if it was any miracle cure.
Yeah.
Apparently we're heading south. We don't know where we're going or what we're up to next.
We'll wing it.
And
See how far we get, see what strikes our interest, and we'll go from there.
sounds like a plan, doesn't
Yeah.
it?
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. Something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah.
Well, we just did an amazing tour at the emu farm, and I've got a really big goodie bag. So that was awesome. Really, really good.
A stiff drink and a few shots later. I don't care, I really don't care. You hanging up seems a little unfair, but I don't mind you seething sometimes.
Alrighty, so we've just pulled up here. We're just at the bottom of the Warren Bungles, and we decided we'd had enough driving for the night. We found this little camping spot. Like, my God, awesome. There's a little river down there, which is a bit cute. So we'll set up. Winning, absolutely winning. Didn't even have to unhook.
Talk for a couple of days. You don't care, I can see you ain't there. Or was I dreaming last night? Was I dreaming last night? Why won't you tell me? Come on, just spit it out. Don't leave me hanging. Come on, let's work it out. Why won't you tell me? Come on, just spit it
epic spot that we found to camp last night. There's a little creek down there. You could hear the frogs all night.
A cloud doesn't move, the rain will pour, but I don't like the feeling I've got. We haven't talked for a couple of weeks. You don't care, you really don't seem to care. Or was I dreaming last night? Was I dreaming last night? Why won't you tell me? Come on, just spit it out. Why won't you tell me? Come on, just spit it out. Don't leave me hanging. Come on, let's work it out. Come on, let's work it out. Come on, let's work it out. Why won't you tell me? Come on, just spit it out. Don't leave me hanging. Come on, let's work it out. Why won't you tell me? Come on, let's work it out. Oh, don't leave me hanging. Oh, don't leave me hanging. Oh, don't leave me hanging. Let's work it out. Come on, let's work it out. Come on, let's work it out.
So we've just pulled into the little town of Grawin. It is famous for Henry Lawson's face being on the old original $10 note. So it's a very cute little town. So we just mentioned how small the little streets are here. And we did try to drive up here with the van, and we just thought it's really funny. There's a sign over there, vans beware, but half of it's taken out.
A stiff drink and a few shots later. I don't care, I really don't care. You hanging up seems a little unfair, but I don't mind. You see things sometimes. We haven't talked for a couple of days. You don't care, I can see you ain't there. Or was I dreaming last night? Was I dreaming last night? Why won't you tell me? Come on, just be.
Hi guys, we've come to the end of our adventure for this trip. We've set it all up. I think we've done about 1,500 k's. So not so much a small drive this time.
Bit of a big one.
Bit of a big one, but yeah. So basically, yeah, just left Bathurst all the way up to Lightning Ridge, and then we've worked our way back through Coonabarabran, Dunedoo, Gulgong, Mudgee. So we did a bit of a lap over a couple of days.
Had a bit of an enjoyable time and cuddled an emu.
Yeah.
Let us know what part you liked the most. There was a few bits I didn't like, the muddy track, but definitely cuddling the emu was awesome. So let us know what you think. We had a good time anyway, and hope you liked our video. Then we'll go home and
Yeah, it's
probably
time to wash.
unpacking tomorrow, I think. Well, yeah, between washing the van and cleaning it up and get it ready for our next adventure.
Absolutely. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Appreciate it. And yeah, we'll set up a next one, and hopefully won't be too far away.
See what our next adventure holds. Awesome. Thanks, guys.
Catch you on the next one.